How to cancel a stuck upload on Instagram? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to fix uploads that are stuck on posting and won't go through. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials. First, open Instagram and go to your profile at the bottom right. Now, tap the menu icon at the top right and go to Settings. Scroll down and look for the option to log out. In many cases, simply logging out of your account will cancel the stuck upload in the background. Tap Log Out and confirm it. But if Instagram doesn't let you log out because it's still uploading, don't worry. The next method is to go into your phone settings. On Android, open Settings, go to Apps, Manage Apps, then find Instagram. Choose Clear Cache or reinstall the app. This removes temporary upload data that's causing the issue. Once done, reopen Instagram and try uploading your post again. And that's it. That's how you can cancel a stuck upload on Instagram and fix posting issues easily.